Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to clean and restore a computer. Let's go to our desktop. We're going to run a program called Cleanup. Just click on your Start button and go to Internet Explorer. And on Google, let's just do a search for cleanup.exe. Cleanup is a free program that will scan your computer for temporary files and anything that it finds that is not necessary, and it will delete it. It stays clear of your documents folder, so you don't have to worry about that. It'll just clear out temporary files and cache files. So I'm going to click here, and basically on the first site that comes up, you have the option to download cleanup.exe, and it's this little hand holding a napkin that looks like it's cleaning up a desk or something. So I've already got it on my desktop. We're going to run this cleanup program. Basically, this program is going to perform a standard cleanup, which means it'll delete temporary files in our Internet Explorer files. So I'm just going to click Cleanup, and it'll play a nice little sound for you. But as you can see, it's scanning through my temporary Internet files and any other temp files that it comes across, and it's clearing those out. Now I'm going to show you also how to restore your computer to an earlier date. Let's click on the Start button, go to All Programs, and let's find Accessories, and then go down to System Tools, and we want to run the System Restore. Now what the System Restore program does is it will take all of your registry settings and basically your computer settings, and it will allow you to restore them to an earlier time where it's set what is called a restore point. This program could take a little bit of time to come up. As you can see, this program is launched and it wants to restore system files and settings. Now I should mention that this won't restore any of your documents from your My Documents folder or anything like that. It'll just restore the Windows system files. It comes up with a recommended restore point, and it gives you a little description of it. As you can see, this restore point was set when I installed OpenOffice.org. So I'm just going to go with the recommended date, and then it wants you to confirm. And if you click Restore down at the very bottom, it will go through the restore process. My name's Dave Andrews, and I just showed you how to clean up and restore a computer.